Here's that E Schmeckenbecher spinning wheel clock. The lady would be making yarn to make a blanket or clothing or whatever, and it plays music on the hour, and watch her do her thing. I seen one that had sold for a little over $100, but this was last one that I seen that sold was back in 2018. You don't see these that often, and the one that sold was missing a lot of parts, missing the water fountain here, well, water hydrant, and the logs. It was missing a bunch of stuff. So this is a fairly sought after and rare clock, even though it was made about 1971 or so. It's a E Schmeckenbecher spinning wheel clock. It's a beautiful clock. I am glad that I came down to my friend's and helped him this last few days, because this is the only clock like this that I have ever touched, and it might be the very last one that I touch. So one more time for good luck. And you can see the cuckoo door. There's a clock back there. Very beautiful clock. And the setting the music drum was a real pain, and so you might have heard that the music didn't quite play the very last note, but that was as good as I could get it. And most people would not have noticed that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I gotta reset the time anyway, so why not? Again, I hope y'all like this video. May God bless each and every one of you.